Hi, and welcome to my workshop. This is a different type of video for this channel. It is the first one that I'm putting myself in front of the camera. In this video, I will be giving you an update on what I've been up to in the last few weeks, while I haven't been posting videos. The project that has taken up most of my time over the last few weeks has been the expansion of this workshop. This started off being just somewhere to store some extra stuff and to create space for my modelling desk to be moved out of the front bedroom in the house and brought out here. It ended up being a much bigger extension on the workshop than I had originally planned. The whole workshop is now roughly 25 foot long. This has made a much bigger working area in here, and I've fitted an extra workbench into what I had originally planned. I'm also really looking forward to not having to keep traipsing through the house with my tools, because they're never in the place where you really want them. When you need them in the front bedroom, they were in here, and when you needed them in here, they were up in the front bedroom. So this is a big improvement, having it all in one place. Another thing the expansion of the workshop will enable is what I want to be a slight change of direction for this channel. Until now, I haven't made videos like this, but I feel it is the next step in the growth of the channel. I would like to make more videos focusing on the projects and things I'm making in the workshop. Recently I have felt like I'm making the same video over and over again. I feel there's only so many videos of running sessions at Butterley and in my own garden that I can make. I will still make those videos. The ones from Butterley will be going onto the Butterley YouTube channel, and I will still film videos in my own garden of running sessions, but I will concentrate mostly on filming them when there is something new or something interesting happening on the railway. I will also still film running session videos from when I visit other people's railways, the Wigford Land Roost for instance. So expect these videos to appear on the channel from time to time. I have quite a few ideas of videos I would like to make in this new format. Videos on how I build rolling stock, update videos on the railway in the garden. There's some progress being made over the summer. I will tell you about this later on in the video. I think the first video I'm going to put out in this new format will be an update on the Ellie the Tram project. It's been a long time since I posted the video from that. There has been some progress, but not for quite a long time. My big project over the summer has been the construction of something rather interesting. I'm going to make a video about that, so there's that to come as well on the channel. I'm hoping to make these videos over the next few weeks and put them out in within the next month, I think. So yeah, keep your eye out for those videos as well. Right, here is a quick look at the workshop. This is the part of the workshop that has been here for quite a while. There's my pillar drill and lathe. This part of the workshop before was a storage area, which has now got my modelling desk and then some storage shelving. At this point we reached what was the end of the shed originally, and into the new extension. This again, I've built some shelving and another workbench. It's piled up with stuff at the minute because I've still got to sort it all out. recently acquired a little scroll saw, which will be useful. And then storage for my road bike, which I plan on getting operational again soon, because it's been a long time since I've been out cycling. One of my other interests. There's a view looking back down the workshop. It shows you just how much extra space I have created. Right, let's go and have a look at the railway and give you an update on what I have been up to over the summer. It's a bit dark out here. I think we'll have to do that another day. In the last update video back in May, I showed the progress on the station area of the railway and the addition of an extra siding for an engine shed. The shed has been mostly completed now, and I've set the track for the area into concrete. There's more work to do still, but it has made a massive difference to the look of the area. My current project on the railway is the rebuilding of the landscaping in the bottom right hand corner of the garden. This area was the first part of the line to be landscaped, and some subsidence issues have occurred. Seeing as I had to rebuild it, I decided to build an area for a house and have another station. This one will just be a halt to serve the house. The platform will be on the opposite side of the railway to the house, so I am building a footbridge over the railway. This bridge is a time-consuming project as I am building it out of real stone. I plan on filming a video of how I am doing this, but here is the progress so far. I have started to make one of the abutments. I'm using the angle grinder with a diamond cutting disc to cut the stones into shape, and then mortaring them together. The steps on this side of the abutment, which I will show in a photo, are made out of some spare bathroom tile. This project has taken a backseat while I've been working on the workshop, but hopefully I will get time to make some more progress on it in the next few weeks. That is it for this week's video. Our first video of me putting myself on camera. It's certainly a rather strange experience, but I'm hoping with time it will get easier. All there is now to say really is thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.